So you've got new coated rotors. Now the thing with coated rotors is they do have a break-in period. So for the first day or two, they're going to feel funny and they're going to sound funny. All this will go away once that coating wears down and the pads are touching the actual metal on the rotor. I will give you an example of that in just a minute. When I take this for a quick drive, I'll show you how it wears off the coating. So I recommend that you give yourself just a little extra time for stopping. It is, like I said, you're going to hear, like when you come to a complete stop, it's going to kind of go, it's okay. It's going to feel weird. It's okay. Just, it'll only last about a day or two, and then everything will be back to normal. Now see, even after a test drive, it's still kind of hard to see, but you can see how the pads are starting to wipe away some of this coating. See how it's real silver here, and here it's turning back to metal. Now again, until that coating is completely gone, the brake system is going to feel a little weird, so it might feel like it's slipping at the very end when you're coming to a complete stop. It might feel like it's slipping a little bit, and you might get a little bit of noise. Absolutely nothing to worry about. Once all that coating is gone, everything's going to go back to normal. So just want to make everybody aware of that. It does kind of scare some people the first time, and I don't always remember to remind everybody, so I figure this little video would probably help a little bit. So again, until that coating's gone, your brake's going to feel just a little bit weird, but everything is okay.